Hi, this is Jason and film 3 for my ClimatePod. I'm here in northern New Mexico, and this little ClimatePod is awesome. This is year 3 for me, and this year I finally set up a drip. So I'm using this this material, and I've set up 2 separate lines for water pressure. One line goes actually all the way around the outside on the northwest face. I've set up a little shade cloth for the greens, the lettuces. You can see there's a new little batch of lettuce there, some collard greens. These are the bell peppers. Some of them are doing really well. Some of them, they didn't get quite enough sun on the front end. I think I might have been trying to pack them in a little bit too much. I added another little feature here, just a quick little, we had some huge winds this spring, blew down huge 100-mile-an-hour winds way up in the mountains, but the ClimatePod did well. But this door did open and tweaked one of my vents, so I put this extra little feature there. ClimatePod was awesome. Sergey and the crew were super awesome about replacing stuff at a very reasonable cost, and their customer service is crazy good. All right, so here's this setup, and what I've figured out over the year is you can do huge. You can see the interior bell peppers are just bumping, doing great. Got a couple different varieties of tomatoes, and I do like vine style, so I've set up this trellis, and what I do is I just sort of prune them and move them, wrap them around. You'll see down low starting to get some really good little cherries, and then I've got some more Celebration is the other brand the other type of seed I use on the southwest face, and you'll see, and you can set these up so you can practice your little sucker pruning style. And then this is a new deal. If you look back here, you'll see this is all just this huge jungle of basil. And you'll also see that cool drip. These are like little irrigators. And what I've tried this year too to be able to keep the cucumbers in is I use the cucumbers as like a wall to shade the basil, because the basil loves shade. And then what I'm doing is I'm tucking these vines, the cucumber vines, back behind the bell peppers. You can see too that I've beefed up these shelves to make them, obviously they're holding a ton of weight here. And then I'm going to trellis these cucumbers along this back section. The beeswax vents are awesome and working well. And you can see also, in order to start early, I actually started this whole thing in the greenhouse like mid-April. I've got 5, there's 3 of these barrels. You can't see, there's one down in there, back in there. 3 of these 40-gallon trash can barrels, black, that regulate the heat. And that is chapter 3 of year 3 of this beautiful little ClimatePod. Thanks again, ClimatePod crew.